Oh yes, GTech Solar World Nigeria Limited got this home and compound lighted up all night and also monitored 24/7. On this project, we had to install 8 units of CCTV camera surveillance system, 2 units of solar powered street lights, and to also power this camera, we had to install 500 watts all-in-one solar box that has its own panel. So this was another nice job done by GTech Solar World Nigeria Limited. We are always here to give you the best. So for something like this, you can contact us on 08077506919, or you can visit our head office address at 137 Upper Sapomba Road, Benin City.